Hey Process Pros, I wanted to create this video to show you how you can connect multiple workspaces to your Claude MCP. That way Claude can take actions across multiple organizations. So the way that you do this is you come to Customize, and it's the same process as connecting your initial connector. You can see that I have 4 workspaces connected to my Claude account. I have Puzzle, and then I have 3 different client accounts that allows me to pull from and delegate to directly within Claude. So let's go ahead and walk through how you can connect an additional connector. Let's assume that you've already connected your primary workspace and you want to create another one. So what you do is you come to add custom connector, and what I would recommend is that you name the custom connector the name of the workspace. That way it's really easy to see what connector in Claude corresponds with what workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and just name this Acme Inc. And the only difference of setting up your original workspace with this additional workspace is that you're going to come to Claude in the tool canvas. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my tool canvas, and I'm going to come to the sync sidebar. I'm going to copy the URL, which the URL is the same in every single Claude sidebar. The only difference here is that I'm going to add a parameter. So I'm going to say workspace equals Acme. And the reason why I'm saying workspace equals Acme is because I know for certain that this is a unique link that will only pertain to this specific workspace. I click add. You will see that will create a new Acme Inc. puzzle connector. I click this button connect. It will bring me to the authorization page where I select the specific workspace that I want to connect to and click authorize. From there, it will go ahead and finish the integration, and you will have a brand new connector with that distinct workspace connected, which means you can come here and you could say, hey, tell me about the tools I use most in Acme Inc. within Puzzle. And it will go and look for the specific connector called Acme Inc. Workspace, and it will go to work for you. So that is how you connect multiple connectors to your Claude account. Cheers.